All right, Engineering 110. Welcome back. We're going to add another feature to our make box function. In the last video, we made it so that the corner of the box could be put at a different location. In this video, I'd just like to be able to change, for the box, I'd like to be able to change how, not just where it is, but I want to change how wide it is. I want to be able to change how tall the box is. And I want to be able to change how deep the box is. So let me call these variables D, H, and W. So instead of making the box exactly 1 unit wide, 1 unit tall, and 1 unit deep, we're going to make it different amounts. So it's actually a lot easier to do than you might think. We just have to change this coordinate right here. Instead of being 0, 1, 0, this coordinate will now be 0, H, 0. Because instead of being 1 unit tall, it's now H units tall. And how about this coordinate over here? Instead of being 1, 0, 0, this coordinate is now going to be, the x coordinate would now be W, 0, 0. Okay, now let's change the box that's been moved, because we want to build this on top of what we did last time. So last time we moved the bottom back left coordinate to XYZ, and now I want to make this box any width, any height, or any depth. So let's change that y plus 1. That's now going to be a y, but instead of plus 1, it's plus the height. And this, instead of being an x plus 1, would now be, see if you can guess it. Yep, x plus width. And I'll let you figure out what the rest of the points would be. Okay, let's now jump to the on the code. What changes do we need to make? Well, we've got this make box function. It currently takes x, y, and z, and there the x, y, and z are referring to where the box is located, not how wide, tall, or deep it is. So we're going to need to take in 3 more variables for how wide it is, how tall it is, and how deep it is. So, and then the vertices are going to change. So instead of adding 1 for the width of the box, we'll add W. Instead of adding 1 for the depth of the box, I'll add D. Okay. And you, of course, should have 8 vertices, not 4 here. So you'll have a little more work to do. And then in the make box function in the main program, the make box function now takes how many inputs? Say it out loud. 6. The first 3 tell you where the box is located, and the second 3 tell you how big the box is. So if I put a 1, 1, 1, that makes boxes the same size they were before. So a 1, 1, 1 means the box is 1 wide, 1 tall, and 1 deep. If you want to make a bigger box, you could put like a 5, 5, 5 here. Or if you want to make it like a rectangular box, you could put like a 5, 1, 1 there. So this would make it 5 wide, but only 1 tall and 1 deep. So make that work. And then go on to the next.